Come on, let me show you how to make your first digital product for $0. So open up a Google Drive and a Google Doc, and here you are going to brain dump on your topic. So obviously step one is to pick your topic. Should be something that you are an expert at, something that you love talking about, something that people ask you about all of the time. And now in this Google Doc, you are just going to brain dump absolutely everything you know on this topic. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be organized. It doesn't need to be fancy or clean right now. Just get everything out on this piece of paper or on this screen. And of course, a Google Doc, a Google Drive is totally free, or you can also do this on the notes in your phone, which is also free. Next, you're going to go to the Canva website, and yes, Canva has a paid program, but you can use the free Canva account to do this. So once again, $0. So type in ebook multiple pages, and it's going to give you some templates that you can use. These are actually my templates here, but let's go find what Canva has for you. You will have less options if you're on the free account, but also you don't need to use a template. You can totally create your own from scratch. It's just easier and faster to use one of their templates and then add your own branding. Choose one that you like. I'm gonna use this one because I'm a sucker for black and white, and then you can kind of actually preview what all the pages look like. Once again, you can edit them entirely, but to make it easier, make it faster, it's good to use one that you kind of like the layout already. So you're gonna open it up, and all you're gonna do is just put in all of the information that you put in your brain dump document in Google Drive. You're going to organize all of that content into a beautiful ebook. You're going to divide it into steps. You're going to divide it into lessons, however you want to divide it. Remember, this is your ebook. You can do it your way, but you're going to organize all of that content, all of that information that you know, all that expertise that you have on the topic into this ebook right here. Once you're happy with it, once it's done, you're going to click share in the top right hand corner, and then you're going to hit download, and then you want to download it as a PDF standard. That's the best way to download a document to be shared digitally. And now we're going to load this ebook, your new first digital product, onto a platform to allow people to access it and purchase it from you. So the best one to use is Thinkific, because they offer not only a 30-day free trial, but you can actually have a free account with one product for as long as you want to, totally for free, totally for $0. So that's why I recommend Thinkific. So you're going to create an account, and then you're going to hit new course, and then you're going to load in your course content. So if it's just your ebook, that's great. If you want to add more information, that's great too. You're going to name it, add a URL, and then you're going to price it. So let's make it, for fun, $99. And then you're going to hit publish. When you hit publish on Thinkific, it's fun. It gives you a little poof. There we go. A little poof, a little celebration, because you have just published, you've just launched your first digital product. So now you're going to go back to pricing, and this is where you're going to get the link to share for people to check out and purchase your product. Once you copy this link, take it to Instagram, go to your profile and edit your profile. And this is where you want to add your link to your digital product, to your link in bio, because all of the content you're going to be posting now is going to be driving people, your audience, your followers, to purchase your new digital products. So having the link in the bio is the best way to do this. So you're going to paste in the link, and then you can add like a cool little title for it below, and then it's going to be in your Instagram profile for everybody to click on and to purchase from you. Now it's time for you to show up on social media and talk about your digital product, talk about your topic, share your knowledge, share your expertise, and get people to want to buy, and then watch the sales pour in.